Prepare to capture stunning aerial photography and enjoy an intuitive flying experience with the Xiaomi New M5s Drone. This professional-grade, foldable quadcopter is engineered for precision and ease of use, boasting an impressive 8K HD dual camera system, intelligent three-sided obstacle avoidance, a unique screen remote control, and eye-catching gradient flowing lights. The M5s is your ultimate tool for immersive aerial photography and fun, long-duration flights. Stunning 8K HD dual cameras and immersive screen control. The M5s truly shines with its high-definition imaging capabilities. It features a dual-lens system with options for 2.4G Wi-Fi for HD, 6K, or even 8K resolution, promising incredibly sharp and detailed photos and videos from above. The electric lens adjustment function allows you to precisely control the camera angle during flight. A standout feature is the real-time aerial photography with screen remote control, providing a direct FPV feed right on your controller. This eliminates the need for a separate mobile phone for FPV, offering a seamless and immersive piloting experience. You can also connect via Wi-Fi function to applications and APK systems to take photos, videos, and transmit in real time through your mobile phone app. Intelligent flight and comprehensive obstacle avoidance. Fly with supreme confidence thanks to the M5s's advanced flight systems. It features an altitude hold mode function and optical flow fixed point positioning function, ensuring stable flight and precise hovering, especially useful in various environments. A key safety feature is its three-sided obstacle avoidance, actively helping the drone detect and navigate around obstructions from multiple directions, significantly reducing the risk of collisions and providing immense peace of mind during flight. Powerful brushless motor and extended endurance. The M5s is propelled by a robust 1503 brushless motor, which provides stronger power, greater efficiency, and a longer service life compared to traditional motors. This translates to more stable flight and enhanced durability. Powered by a 3.7V 1200 mAh lithium polymer battery, the drone offers a solid 15 to 18 minutes of single flight time, with a charging time of approximately 60 minutes. The remote control battery is built-in and USB rechargeable. User-friendly controls and smart features. The M5s is designed for intuitive operation and packed with intelligent functions. One-key takeoff, one-key landing simplifies the most challenging aspects of drone operation for beginners. Headless mode, no need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flying, simplifying control. Trajectory flight, draw a flight path on the screen via the app, and the drone will fly autonomously along the specified path. Gesture photography, capture photos or start video recording with simple hand gestures. Gravity sensing, control the drone's movements by tilting your mobile phone. 360 degrees rolling, perform impressive aerial acrobatics. Speed switch, adjust the drone's agility to match your preference or the environment. One-key reset and direction fine-tuning on the remote. 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology ensures multiple users can fly simultaneously without interference. 6-axis gyroscope, for smoother flight and more convenient control. Gradient flowing lights, the drone features eye-catching gradient flowing lights, enhancing visibility and adding a cool visual effect during flight. Compact, foldable and durable design. With foldable arms, the M5s boasts a compact size, folded, 14 by 6 by 7.5 cm, unfolded, 21 by 6 by 16.5 cm, making it incredibly easy to carry. The quadcopter fuselage is made of high-strength and resistant engineering plastics, ensuring it's lightweight yet durable. available in stylish green and yellow colors. The Xiaomi New M5s Drone offers a compelling blend of high-resolution 8K camera capabilities, extensive obstacle avoidance, stable flight systems, and user-friendly controls, all within a portable and durable design. Its unique screen control and vibrant lights make it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a capable and exciting drone for aerial photography and immersive flight experiences. Like, share and subscribe if you enjoy drone reviews and want to stay updated with the latest in aerial tech.